It's litmus test for the state and most importantly for Chief Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi, who is indeed looking to save his top post in the state. With the Assembly Trust vote few hours away from now, BJP will be supporting Manjhi's MLAs. So who will win, Nitish or Manjhi? Here's getting you the latest on that.
With just hours to go before he faces a do-or-die floor test, Jitin Ram Manjhi doing all he can to shore up his numbers, even dangling a carrot.
आप मंत्री बनने के लिए अगर जाना चाहते हैं तो जीतन मांझी के पास भी मंत्री का बहुत सा पद है, आइए हम मंत्री बना देंगे।
The BJP has thrown its weight behind the man who's challenging Nitish Kumar.
हम एक महादलित के पक्ष में खड़े हैं, समाज के सबसे कमजोर तबके के व्यक्ति के हम पक्ष में खड़े हैं।
But the picture doesn't look good for the Manjhi's camp.
The declaration of Jitan Ram Manjhi camp to form a new party under the leadership of Jitan Ram Manjhi clearly shows that Manjhi and his group of 12 MLAs have accepted defeat.
The night before the trust vote, the Nitish Kumar camp hit out at the BJP, accusing of it of propping up Manjhi.
बीजेपी ने व्हिप भी जारी कर दिया। क्या करें? बीजेपी तो पहले से ही अब तो पर्दे के पीछे से पर्दे के आगे आगे। सुशील मोदी जी जो है पर्दे के आगे पर्दे के पीछे कर रहे हैं।
But the BJP is not taking it lying down, in turn questioning the JDU.
What is happening within the JDU, you try to put a blame on BJP for each and every action which is happening within you.
Yet the events that have played out ever since Manjhi's visit to 7RCR can't be washed away.
The level to which the BJP has stooped right now in order to fish in troubled waters and to indulge in horse trading and unethical practices is the worst chapter in Bihar's democratic history.
Backed up by the BJP, Manjhi may have taken the political gamble of his life. But it remains to be seen who has the last laugh. With Prakash in Patna, Shreyashi Dey for Times Now.